Before you start, plan. Doing SEO randomly doesn't work. First, find what your customers are searching for. For that, our AI does all the work. All you have to do is go to Content Creation, Semantic Cocoon. This Semantic Cocoon feature lets you identify all the keywords people are searching for on a given topic. In SEO, to grow your traffic, you have to work on one topic at a time. Once you've thoroughly covered a topic, Google recognizes that you're an authority on it and boosts your visibility. When you're done with one topic, you can move on to another. For example, here, based on the products from our fictional test site, our AI has identified topics that target customers are searching for. Here, the goal is to choose a topic on which you want to grow your traffic. We're going to create our own topic. There are two types of silos, one with keywords aimed at the blog and one with keywords aimed at the product. First, you need to start with the blog. So, in my fictional store, I have a range of hiking shoes. For women, and I want to grow in that area, so I'm going to work on this topic. The more specific the main keyword of the topic is, the more effective it will be for SEO. For example, sofa is very broad, whereas fabric corner sofa is specific. So I save here, and our AI will identify all these keywords. It'll take 2 to 5 minutes, so we'll wait. There you go. The silo is ready. We click on it. There you go. Now we have the list of all the keywords that are actually searched for on this topic, grouped together in a silo. Each silo represents a subtopic or a closely related topic. The goal will be to create blog articles on all these keywords in order to cover all the searches. This helps you build a stronger presence and increase your audience. It shows Google you are an expert on hiking shoes and trustworthy enough to be featured. Let's open an example. Here is the list of keywords. You have the search volume for each keyword, as well as an indicator. This lets you track your work to know which keywords you have already created content for. To create an article and publish content, you have two modes. Either, by clicking here, you give the cluster to our AI, which will take care of creating the articles and publishing them automatically. This is for you if you're short on time or if you're away, for example, on the day of the week you choose, or in just a few clicks. You just need to check the keyword. You can check several if there are some that are similar. And by clicking here, you will be redirected to the article creation page, where you can create your first content. Congratulations! You found all the keywords your clients search for. The next step is to create content and publish articles regularly to cover these keywords and appear in as many searches as possible.